Guys, if you saw my last video where I was talking about purchasing the DJI Refresh Care program, then you will know that I am all about protecting this device. So yes, it comes with this protective shield, and that's fantastic, but half the time this isn't going to be on. So I did purchase this, and I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to apply. Before I forget, let me mention, it purchased a few of the lenses that you can snap on, and apparently the lenses won't sit correctly if you put the screen cover here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover this and I'm not gonna cover that. I know, living dangerously. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open it, and this is by FPVtosky, whatever, and it's tempered glass. It is a full screen protector, and supposedly you can use it and it has full touch capability. It's, you know, no fingerprint, blah, blah, blah. All right, okay, comes with the case, that's cute. And it does come with the lens protector and this. And it's supposed to be oil-proof, dust-proof, anti-fingerprint, all the things. All right, so we're gonna clean it off. That's, yeah, we're gonna use this one like that. And I think it comes with, yeah, so it comes with 2 of each, which is nice. Put our extras away. This is very similar to if you've ever put a screen protector on your phone. I mean, I have screen protectors on my phones. I have them on the camera that I'm currently filming on that is above me. So it's gonna be the same idea. You're gonna clean it off, alcohol wipey, then dry it off with this. Ooh. And it would be the same for this one, because I'm not gonna put it on because I wanna be able to use lenses. We're gonna pop it on here, and then we're gonna see a dust absorber, just to make sure there's nothing on there. Use these to guide the little screen down. The side that peels back, okay? So when you lift it and the side that peels back, that's the side that goes face down, because that's the side they're protecting from fingerprints, okay? You can go ahead and put these on here. I'm actually gonna do mine from the side, like so. All right, and it doesn't matter if you touch this because we're gonna peel this off, okay? And then what you're gonna do, and I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so my hands are so shaky. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use these, and you're gonna place it like that. And you see it start to sit in place just like you do when you use a phone protector. And then we'll peel these off, but go ahead and keep these because you have to replace it, you're gonna need them again. And really kind of work it into place. So y'all can see this thing is just not sitting down. I mean, this to me is not 100% impressive. I'll leave it on here because I already paid for it. But I mean, the corners aren't 100% down. That said, will it protect the screen? Yes, I'm sure it will. So, I mean, that's about as good as I could get it. Now let's see if it's actually responsive. You guys can see my camera. Hello. All right, so let's see if we could change. Okay, so you can see that it is completely responsive to finger touch. So, I mean, that's great. I don't love, I don't know if you guys can see that there are the tiniest bit here and here that aren't like 100% flush. But that said, I will feel better about using this now that that's protected. Again, I'm not gonna put it up here. Worth the money? I don't know, you'll have to decide. Since I'm only using half of it and it's not even 100% flush, I don't know. But I'll still feel better that that's covered. Got 3 corners completely down, but not the 4th one. Okay, so 3 corners completely flush and 1 corner, this one, that's like a little bit not flush. But, you know, fingerprint resistant, certainly not. I didn't expect for it to be though. If you found that helpful, if you learn more about you want to learn about the other way to protect your device, go ahead to the video at the end about the DJI Refresh program. And if you enjoy videos about UGC content creation tips and gear, go ahead and leave a like and consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.